Hello, my dear students. My name is Mrs. Dua and I'm going to be with you today in our very exciting lesson from Connect for Primary 4. I want to remind you to make sure that you bring your books to all our sessions, and you should also bring along some paper and a pen. Remember last time that I told you that we were going to talk about how the delicious food we eat gets turned into energy? Do you remember that? Yes, that's what today's lesson is all about. So, are you ready to begin? Yes, let's go. Tell me first, what did you eat last night? An apple, maybe? Okay. Where did this apple go? Did it go to the kitchen, for example? No, it went inside your mouth. Very good. So you have to chew on the food with your mouth and then you swallow it. After that, where does it go? Yes, think. Yes, down into your esophagus. Excellent. This part is the esophagus. After you swallow, it becomes here. And then down, down, down into your stomach. Great job. So, you know this is a kind of trap for the food. Yes, food takes this inside your body. There is a name for this trap and it's called digestion. Again, repeat after me. Digestion. Digestion. Okay, great. And now I want you to open your books on page 6. Okay, look at this picture. Tell me, what can you see in this picture? Yes, that's right. It's a picture of a man. But what's this? Look, we can see inside his body. Oh, wow. Can you name what you can see inside this body? Yes, these are called the organs. Repeat after me. Organs. Yes, very good. Remember, you studied this in your science class, by the way. So let's try to name these organs together. Look and repeat after me. Number 1, mouth. Mouth. Number 2, esophagus. Esophagus. Number 3, stomach. Stomach. Great, you are doing great job. Number 4, small intestine. Small intestine. And number 5, large intestine. Large intestine. Again, look at question number 1 and tell me. Okay, number 1 is the mouth. Yes, very good. Small intestine. Small intestine. Very good. Look at question number 1 and tell me, what happened to our body when we eat food? Yes, exactly, that's right. It's good on a trip. It's going a trip called digestion. This trip happened in the digestion or the digestive system. Okay, I want all of you to put your finger on the man's mouth. Put your finger on the man's mouth. Let's use our finger to go along the digestive system. Okay, so first the food goes into the mouth. Number one, the mouth. Then the esophagus, here, the esophagus. Then the stomach, down here in your stomach. And after that, it goes to small intestine. Look here, this is the small intestine, the very small here. And then into the large intestine, this wide one. Yes, excellent. You are doing a very good job. Now, look at exercise 2. And I want you to look, read, and label the body. Okay? Read together. We can read together. Number 1, the digestive system. Number 1 is mouth. Yes, the esophagus goes from the mouth. The food goes from the mouth to the esophagus, then down into the stomach. And when the food moves from the esophagus to the stomach, the gastric juice digests it. The gastric juice digests it. Food moves from the stomach to the small intestine here. Yes, can you see it? The small intestine to complete the digestion. And the large intestine is around the small intestine. Can you see it? Very good. It takes water and salt from food for the body, and it removes all the wastes. Okay, now I want you to pick up your pens and label the parts of the body on the man. I will give you 2 minutes and you can find all the words you need here in the sentences that I just read. Here, number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So please read it again, and I am giving you 2 minutes to do this exercise. Great. It's a picture of the digestive system. Great. What organs can you see? Look here. Yes. Here is the stomach. Yes. The small intestine here inside. The large intestine around. Yes. And remember, before food goes into our stomach, first we must chew it. Repeat after me. Chew. Chew, chew. Yes, we chew food with our teeth. We chew food with our teeth like this. Yes, do the same action. You're doing great. So, chewing sounds, effects. Yes, this sound what you can hear while chewing. Very good. The food goes down after chewing this long tube. Yes. The esophagus. Repeat after me. Esophagus. Esophagus. Good. Okay, now the food goes into the stomach. And now something really exciting happens in our stomachs. Do you remember from the science class? Yes, what happened inside your stomach? The food mixes with some really special juice. And we can call this juice gastric juice. Repeat. gastric juice. Very good. This gastric juice changes the food into a simpler form. The food changed into a simpler form so that we can get energy and nutrients. Okay? What are nutrients? Can anyone guess? What are nutrients? Yes, nutrients are proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and any minerals that we need to live and be healthy. Okay, now can we all say nutrients? Yes, repeat after me. Nutrients, nutrients. Good job. So now we are going to read together and complete. Look here for exercise number 3. You can see these words in the box, and we are going to complete this paragraph using the words in the box. So let's go. I will give you only 3 minutes to complete this exercise, and after you finish, just give me a hand. Okay. Are you finished? Well done, good job. Let's check our answers together. Number 1, when we eat, we use our digestive system to digest what we eat, right? So we put food in our mouth, we chew it in our mouth, food with our teeth, yes. Then the food goes down the esophagus here and it arrives in the stomach. Down here. Great. The food mixes with the gastric juice, and the gastric juice changes the food into a simpler form to get energy and nutrients. Don't remember. So we need the energy and nutrients in our body. Did you get them all right? Okay, excellent job. Again, we use our digestive system to digest what we eat. Exactly. We put food in our mouth, we chew food with our, excellent, with our teeth. Very good. Then the food goes down the esophagus and it arrives in the stomach. And what happened in the stomach? The food, yes, exactly, mixes with the gastric juice. That changes the food into a simpler form, huh? Yes, great. The gastric juice change the food into simpler form, and that to get energy and nutrients. Super, you are just fabulous students. Nutrients, and we need the energy and the nutrients in our body. Okay, great. Now look at the picture on exercise 4. Yes, next exercise. What can you see? Let's look together. We have some pictures showing some attitudes. I want you to tick right for the healthy action and tick wrong for the wrong action or the unhealthy action. Okay? In A, for example, we can see a boy playing a video game. Is this healthy or unhealthy? Yes. Super, it's unhealthy, of course. So we are going to tick wrong. Okay, put a cross, all of you. Great. What about number B or letter B? This young boy is drinking water. Is this healthy? Of course it is. It's very, very healthy. So tick right. Very good. And now look at letter C. This young lady is eating ice cream. What do you think? Is it healthy? No, I don't think so. So check cross. Very good. Letter D. This lady or this girl is eating a watermelon. Is that healthy? Yes, of course, tasty and healthy too. Very good. And now move to the last letter, it's E. Look at this boy. What he's doing? Yes, he's walking to school, so he is exercising, as walking is good for our digestive system. So, yes, it's healthy action to do. Excellent, it's well done. Now, after you finish this, look at this title. I want you to look at this title here. Okay, look here. Number 5. Look and match the description in the words. Repeat after me. What's this? Before you will go and answer. Look at this picture. Yes, it's a respiratory system. Great. So, what's this again? The respiratory system. Do you know what this means? Yes, can you remember what it is? Good job, bravo. This is the system that helps us to breathe. Yes, to mind breathing in and breathing out. Yes, again, breathing in and breathing out. Very good. Okay, what are the organs we need to breathe in and to breathe out? Do you know? Yes, Let's look at page 8 and find out. Open page 8, please, and look at this picture. Can you see these organs here? Can you see these organs? Yes, these are called the lungs. Again, the lungs. Okay, how many lungs can you see? 2? Excellent, very good. They are 2. 2 lungs. Now, what organ helps us to get air into our lungs? Yes, breathe to find out. I want you to breathe now. Take the air inside. Yes, so you used your nose, exactly. So we put air into our bodies through our noses. Super. Then the air goes into our lungs. These organs. Yes. Now look at this brown muscles. Yes, here. This is the diaphragm. The diaphragm. Repeat after me. Diaphragm. Diaphragm. Exactly. You are super. So we are going to learn some important words to understand the respiratory system. I want you to look at exercise 5 now and read these words together. Remember, this exercise is related to the respiratory system. So this system is called the respiratory system. Okay, look here and match the descriptions to the word. I want you to listen and check. So I'm giving you 2 minutes to listen, then we are going to check.
Exercise 5. Look and match the descriptions to the words. Listen and check. 1. Pump. To move quickly from one place to another. 2. Nose. This is in the center of the face. 3. Lungs. We have 2 of these. They are inside the body. 4. Diaphragm. This is a muscle under the lungs. 5. Breathe. To take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide.
Okay, now I'm going to answer it with you. Bump. Bump. Number 1. Bump. Yes, draw a line from bump to letter B. So bump is to move quickly from one place to another. Bump means to move quickly from one place to another. What about number 2? Yes, exactly. Number 2, this is going to be with D. Super. So the nose is the center of the face. Yes, right here in the center of your face. Very good. So number 2 with D. What about number 3? The lungs. Lungs. Exactly. We have 2 of these and they are inside. Yes, and they are inside the body. Draw a line from number 3 to letter E. So, lungs. We have 2 of these and they are inside the body. Great. What about number 4? The diaphragm. Exactly. This is a muscle under our lungs. It's a muscle under our lungs. So, number 4 with number A. And the last one, breathe. Breathe. This means to take the oxygen in and give out carbon dioxide. So the answer is C. Okay, now let's listen and check our answers. Listen very carefully and check your answers.
Exercise 5. Look and match the descriptions to the words. Listen and check. 1. Pump. To move quickly from one place to another. 2. Nose. This is in the center of the face. 3. Lungs. We have 2 of these. They are inside the body. 4. Diaphragm. This is a muscle under the lungs. 5. Breathe. To take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide.
Very good. You're doing a good job. Okay, now I want you to look at exercise 6 on page 9. Okay, all of you please open page 9. Okay, page 9. All of you open page 9 and look at exercise 6. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to read the text by yourself. After that, you will put the sentences in the correct form. Yes, the sentences below in the correct order. Are you ready? Okay. Let's go. Very good. Now, let's check our answers together. Number 1, we breathe. Number 1 is we breathe through our nose. It's already checked. Okay, what about number 2? Yes, the diaphragm goes down. Excellent. So, this is number 2. The diaphragm goes down. What about number 3? The diaphragm pulls air into our lungs. Excellent. So, here is number 3. What about number 4? Exactly. When the air arrives in our lungs, the oxygen goes into our blood. Very good. So, it's number 4 here. What about number 5? Very good. The heart pushes the blood around our body. The heart pushes the blood around our body. And the last one, number 6, the diaphragm moves up and pushes the air out of our body. That's number 6. You're doing a splendid job. Excellent. Okay, now let's turn to exercise 7. How can we have a healthy respiratory system? I want all of you to look and match. Number 1, stay away from smoke. Okay, which picture presents number 1? Yes, it's letter D, so let's match. 1 with D. Okay, number 2, exercise. Great, it's with letter C. And the next one, put green plants in your balcony. Okay, yeah, exactly. Move to letter B. And the last one, number 4, drink plenty of water. Plenty means a lot of water. Okay, yes, exactly, with letter A. And that's it. Thank you. Okay, and now let's start the funny part. Are you ready? Okay, we are going to start something fun. Did you remember to bring your water bottle and your balloons? Look, let's make a model of how the diaphragm works. It's really easy. Just follow me. Tie a knot in one of the balloons and then cut across the balloons so that the rounded top is removed. Then, stretch this balloon over the bottom of the water bottle so that the tied part is pointing downwards. This is the diaphragm. Now, take the other balloon and put the rounded end inside the neck of the bottle. Take care not to drop it. Pull the balloon, opening outwards over the neck of the bottle so that the balloon hangs down inside the bottle. This represents the lung. Okay, after that you can hold the bottle towards the base, yes, and be sure that the balloon doesn't come off the bottle. And pull the knotted balloon, which is the diaphragm, downwards. This will pull down the air inside the bottle, causing the top balloon, which is the lung, to inflate. And when you release the knot, the top balloon will deflate. Okay, I hope you enjoyed our lesson today, and next time we will talk about being healthy and first aids. Have a nice day.